glory. We the Ambazonian, special loyalty. Praise to our Savior who granted us the freedom. And legends to the hero who held the lonely diablo. Glory to glory, we rise and never to fall. Here in the nations, flowing rivers and holy. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation and joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty in our need, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of His nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty in our need, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of His nation.
My fellow Ambazonians, wa big papa them, wa big mommy them, wa uncle them, wa auntie them, wa brother them, wa sister them, wa neighbor them, wa picking them, all Ambazonians across the world, all wa mommy them, wa papa them for ground zero, would throw una salute. For all our people them, where they be scattered as refugees, especially for Nigeria, for Ghana, all across Central and West Africa, because of the war with the colonial dictator of La République du Cameroon is declared for the people of Ambazonia. I want to salute una. For all Ambazonia them, where they struggle because of this war, where they struggle, they did for North Africa, they try for cross the Mediterranean Sea, for find place where if it be safe. Accord una cafe for that side for desert and for North Africa. For all Ambazonia them for the continent of Europe, at una salute, at say una good afternoon. For all Ambazonia them for that side for Middle East, we una the hustle for that side for Middle East, at una salute my people them. All Ambazonia them for that side for China, for Singapore, for Malaysia, for Hong Kong, for how they call them, for Australia, for India, for Bangladesh. All right, accord una cafe, atoe una salute for una hustling. For all Ambazonia them, where they did for that side for the Persian Gulf, atoe una two salute, and then for all Ambazonia where they did for this side where they call and say for North America. That means say for Canada, for the United States of America, and for Mexico, and the one where they did for Latin America, and for that side for the Caribbeans, where una the try for cross, for enter for America and for Canada. We called una cafe. And we want to tell una say una share for the waka. My fellow people, I don't come today for can give una a report directly from La République du Cameroon, from Paul Biya his own people themselves, from the Bulus and the Betis, the leader of Ambazonia War of Independence, the Moses of Ambazonia. Dr. Ebachobi won the Ambazonian people and he won the international community. He tell them say if they not intervene quickly as possible for end the genocide for Ambazonia and bring La République du Cameroon for a negotiating table for sign their surrender agreement out of Ambazonia, Cameroon go cease for exist as a state. The war for Ambazonia, it go create instability for Cameroon. The war where Paul Biya declared for the Ambazonian people, Dr. Ebachobi won the international community and he won the people of La République du Cameroon. Say the consequences of that war, now say Cameroon go get instability. Cameroon go be in chaos. The citizens of La République du Cameroon, they don't take courage from the Ambazonian people them. They don't see say the Ambazonian people, they did battle la Republic du Cameroon army, battle their B, battle their police, for block by block, neighborhood by neighborhood, backside by backside, rooftop by rooftop, gutter hole by gutter hole. The Ambazonian people, their courage, their tenacity, and their defiance, it don't create courage for the people of La République du Cameroon, where they don't be a very dormant people them since their independence in 1960. Make a take when I go for that side. The people, they don't demobilize. The people, they don't be fed up with Pobia. The Beti and the Bulu people, they don't be fed up. They don't say they don't get life too. Thanks to the courage of the Ambazonian people them. The Sardinats, the Beti and the Bulu people them, where they don't be the most fearful people for Africa and for the world. Then too their eye don't shine. Their heart don't open. They don't make videos. They speak out. They don't corroborate their head. Even the one when they be called an Rastaman. They don't cut their head. When a person will don't be a Rastaman for like 30, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30 years, it go cut that Rasta. That means you know say don't bad. When mommy it the pound fufu, when Bulu mommy the pound plenty, and he talk say the time don't reach for Pobia for go. Because they suffer, they don't fit tolerate them anymore. You know say Ambazonia they win. Now the signs and that of Ambazonian victory. Make a take now, go for that side, for Bia I own people, Sesef, for the people of Sangmelima. The Bulu and the Beti people them, their eye don't open, they don't woke up, they demobilize for chase Paul Biya out of power. Make a take now, go for that side, for La République du Cameroun.
Bonjour.
Assamondoa Thérèse, citoyenne camerounaise de Sangmelima.
Bonjour. Je suis Webassi Pierre Raoul, citoyen camerounais résident à Sangmelima, dans le Djailobo.
Bonjour, je suis M. Layou Feze, citoyen camerounais résident à Sangmelima.
Na Rastaman that, you want can call Rasta for vexation. They not fit take them anymore. They suffer for them, don't they too much. They say they not fit take them anymore. So the Rastaman don't they cut his head for vex with the vex. For prepare for war, the war against Pobia, for prepare for the rebellion against Pobia. Now then that they put their faces for outside. It come. They need hide anymore.
Un incident, une fusillade s'est produite hier à Bambidi. Le bilan serait lourd. Plusieurs étudiants en sont morts. La guerre du Nozo est à sa 4e année. C'est plus de 20 000 morts déjà, selon les points de vue des uns et des autres. C'est une guerre qui est sale, c'est une guerre qui est inutile dans la civilisation bamileke dont je suis originaire, et bantou en général. On perd les cheveux quand on est dans une situation de compassion, quand on est dans une situation de deuil. Donc, ces cheveux-là qui sont tombés aujourd'hui, c'est pour marquer notre négation. Nous ne sommes pas d'accord avec cette guerre qui a lieu dans cette guerre inutile dans cette région du pays.
Now then that, they don't woke up, they talk say, they say, the war where Paul Biya don't declare for the Ambazonian people. Now something where it not ever supposed to happen. Now the Bulu, the Beti people than this. Then say that they give an accurate report. They talk say about 20,000 Ambazonians, they don't kill them. Then they don't be happy. Why Paul Biya go declare war on the Ambazonian people and the entire Cameroon? Now they suffer. They not be happy. Una here?
Appelons à ce que cesse le meurtre, le massacre de nos frères anglophones, que cesse le massacre de nos frères soldats du Djaïlobo, du Cameroun en général. C'est une guerre qui nous fait mal. Nous appelons que cesse le massacre de tous ces civils, de ces familles qui sont décédées en Garbou. Que le régime irresponsable, illégitime de Yaoundé, qui a...
That. Na inside Sangmelimadat. Na the bulu the Betty people and this. Then says that they woke up the talk say Paul Biya a regime. It be illegitimate. They talk say Paul Biya forced himself for power. The night and this. They don't woke up. When I hear, it don't bad. It don't bad.
Tout ceci, arrête ces tueries. Et pour ça, nous sommes prêts. Si en plus de cette revendication, de cet appel, le système électoral n'est pas refondu, nous sommes décidés. Si après ça, le code électoral est convoqué, sans donc que ces préalables-là soient satisfaits, nous sommes décidés, nous sommes déterminés à marcher et à demander à faire tomber le régime Biya.
Now in that, it don't talk say they say, the people of La République du Cameroun, the people for inside Sangmelima, the people for the southern regions of Cameroon, for place where Paul Biya come out, they don't decide, they don't make up their mind. Say the time where they give the electoral commission for create reforms for proper elections for Cameroon, it don't pass. Now the time where the people they go take immediate action for chase Paul Biya out of power. Una hear?
Nous allons faire tomber ce régime.
Aujourd'hui est un jour triste pour nous, pour la jeunesse camerounaise. Nous avons décidé de nous couper les cheveux en solidarité à nos frères anglophones morts hier, à ces étudiants.
Power off.
Nous pensons aux victimes de Boko Haram du côté de l'extrême nord et à tous ces jeunes qui ont été tués par des sous-préfets, par des hommes maintenus abusivement et injustement. Nous pensons à nos frères soldats qui sont morts du côté du nord-ouest et du sud-ouest. Nous pensons à toutes ces victimes, à ces déplacés, ceux-là qui sont morts dans les forêts, ceux-là qu'on ne retrouvera plus jamais leur corps. Nous pensons...
Now in that, it talks say they say plenty people, they don't die for forests and they don't go ever find them again because of Paul Biya a war. As a result, they don't cut their head. They cut their head for show their determination. They don't corroborate their head for show say that they be ready. They be determined for stand up and fight, chase Paul Biya out of power. Now the people of La République du Cameroun this, now they are citizens in this, themselves they don't talk. From waiting Dr. Ebabi tell the Ambazonian people say, now a matter of time, the rebellion go start for Cameroon. When their people, they realize and say, the Ambazonian people, Ambazonia don't become free, the people then too they want be free. The people of La République du Cameroun then too they want be free from Paul Biya. Una hear?
Et nous vous disons, je vous jure que nous allons sortir. Si le corps électoral est convoqué.
Now in that, it talks say they swear for their mommy them. They swear for their papa them. Say the one rise up for fight Paul Biya. Now then this they put their faces for outside.
Si, en plus de cela, il n'y a pas une refonte du système électoral, nous allons sortir, appelez ça comme vous voulez, insurrection, coup d'état, renversement de l'ordre.
Now in that, it talks say the way they go come out, any person fit call them the way we want them. What I want call them na rebellion, you want call them na mutiny, or you want call them na talk say they say na insurrection, or you talk say they say na coup d'état. The people of La République du Cameroun, the one rise up for chase Paul Biya out of power.
Établi, je vous dis, nous allons sortir, marcher pacifiquement pour demander le renversement de ce régime.
It talks say they go come out and they chase Paul Biya completely out of power and out of Cameroon. Now in this.
Je vous remercie.
Mes chers frères camerounais, sœurs et frères, j'insiste, Camerounais, il est temps pour les Camerounais de révolter pour leur pays.
Now the Mamidi talks it, they say, now the time this for the people of La République du Cameroun for revolt against Pobia. For revolt against the colonial dictator. Now them that. It don't start.
Vous voyez en noir, mes chers Camerounais, c'est parce que nous sommes en deuil. Les larmes coulent de nos yeux. Ça coule dans nos âmes. Nous sommes baignés de larmes à cause de nos bien-aimés frères qui finissent au Nozo, au nord-ouest, à l'extrême nord, dans tout le pays que nous connaissons tous. Les petits-enfants, hier, ils ont encore été atteints. Les jeunes Camerounais qui doivent remplacer le régime actuel. À l'heure actuelle, leur pays, leur famille pleure. Alors nous disons non à toutes ces choses, à tous ces meurtres, à tous ces morts. Nous sommes fatigués, je le répète, nous sommes fatigués. Le diable est fatigué d'entendre de telles choses. Et maintenant, nous disons non. Si vous voulez convoquer le corps électoral, arrêtez d'abord la guerre, le sang qui coule, les armes qui crient. Nos frères policiers, gendarmes, militaires sont morts. Les familles pleurent, les élites de leur famille.
Now mommy that, he don't wear black clothes. Mommy don't carry his own stick. Now mommy don't carry that. Now that mommy that, a bulu mommy, a betty mommy, he don't carry his own mortar pistol for chase Pobia out. He don't come. The instability with the leader of Ambazonian War of Independence, he be tell the international community and he tell the Ambazonian people, now in this, it don't happen. Mommy don't go carry his own stick. Alright? Now in that, now mommy that, mommy don't become the Amber boy. That boy, them, now then that they don't become Amber boys. The new Amber boys inside La République du Cameroun by La République du Cameroun citizens. As Dr. Ebachobi write on for a page, he said, wherever there is oppression, there will always be Amber boys and Amber girls. The people of the Bulu and the Betty, now then that they don't form Amber boys and Amber girls, Amber Mami them for chase Pobia out of power. Make Mami finish the talk.
Alors nous disons non au corps électoral que vous voulez faire. Nous disons non à toutes ces choses. Alors, mes bien-aimés frères, le département du Tchad et Lobo, l'arrondissement de Saint-Malima, dit non. Et si vous n'arrêtez pas, nous avons le bilan.
Aha! Now mommy that. Mommy don't jake stick for up. Mommy don't jake mortar pistol for up. Mommy say if they make that they are nonsense. Where the one talk say they want carry out election again for this time. If Pobia not stop that war first, he release all the people then for prison and he enter for a credible negotiation for solve this problem. Ye the mommy, he talks he don't be ready for be the first soldier, the first Amber woman inside La République du Cameroun for fight Pobia. Now mommy that don't talk. Now the people of La République du Cameroun that, now the Bulu and the Betty people then that, now for Pobia, for place where Pobia come out, for the southern region of La République du Cameroun, now the people then that, they don't be ready for the rebellion. Now the people then that, the Ambazonian people don't give them courage. It show them how they feel stand up and demand for their own rights and stand for get their own freedom from La République du Cameroun and from France. Now, make I also take when I go for that side for inside the same Bulu Betty people them and when I hear what some mommy with the vex. When I hear 90s, I think that the mommy this. Maybe not the same mommy this way carry that mortar pistol. When I hear.
Jusque j'attends, oh mon Dieu. Avec le régime-ci, j'ai vieilli déjà dans le plantain, pilé, sans avoir résultat. Jusque à quand? Vraiment, sortez-vous tous pour combattre ce régime. On a trop souffert.
Now in that, Mamidi talks say they don't over suffer inside La République du Cameroun for Pobia hand. And he ask all picking them for inside La République du Cameroun, make them woke up the chase Pobia out of power. They don't over suffer.
On ne fait que piler le plantain. Et moi, je veux piler le régime. Le régime de Boutia comme ça. Comme je pile le plantain ici. Pour arrêter un peu la vie.
Now when mommy the talk say they say, I hope say my French correct mom. Now when mommy the talk say they say, it just say I see the pound that planty so. I see the pound that planty. Now so it go pound poor beer. Mommy talk say I see the pound that planty. It go take now that same vexation for pound poor beer as the Ambazonian people they talk say jam. Now that. Now mommy the talk so.
Dans le plantain. Les enfants dans le plantain. Les étudiants dans le plantain. C'est même comment jusqu'à quand les étudiants arrêteront. Je pilais le...
Mommy talk say since the morning, it don't over suffer inside Cameroon. It picking they don't over suffer. All picking them for La Republic of Cameroon suffer because of poor beer. It grow up, it the only pound a planty. Now which day life go better for them? They the only pound a planty. Picking they grow, they go university, they get degree them. They will catch it on pound a planty. Now waiting. Now when mommy talk say the time don't reach. Now they know the pound a planty, they go pound a poor beer.
Plantain pour vivre. Je suis fatigué mes frères. Mes frères, je suis fatigué.
Mommy say I don't tire. Oh. Mommy say I don't tire. I don't tire this life for Cameroon. I don't tire suffer for Cameroon. We no go fish down. We remain for poverty because of poor beer. Now when mommy talk say, na time don't reach, make all man woke up a pound poor beer.
Là, je pèse déjà. Je pile seulement le plantain. Moi aussi, je veux rican. Les autres sont là, ils mangent, ils boivent, ils dansent avec notre Dieu à nous tous. D'autres mangent pour nous.
Now when mommy talk say, they say all other countries then for the world, there are people that they live for happiness, that they live for prosperity. Why it be saying that only the people for Cameroon that they can't remember that they suffer? All the other people they get better life. It's in that since the born he only did for palm planty. Now age that don't come. Small time go reach, he go die. Why he go die? Just because say their president a poor beer. Just because the poor beer don't take power, keep them for only for year one. The whole world they change. La République, people, Cameroon they change. Mommy say the time don't reach.
Sortez, oh, sortez. Sortez, chassez le régime. Et on va les piler comme je pile le plantain ici. Et tout, mettez rien. Non, minga. Moi, ça a tabicon. Moi, m'amène. Vous n'avez pas mis si la ne peut pas manger. Cameroun, Zambie, avec ce. Beton, ne va dire. Te que comment nam. Te que tende nam. Sans changement. Chaque jour.
So my fellow Ambazonians, now in that una sesef, una they see the evidence of the work, una they see the evidence of the strategy, una they see the evidence. When we talk, say they say, a people, the strategy with the leader of Ambazonia War of Independence, Dr. Ayabacho, he give the Ambazonian people, he go cause these consequences for La Republic of Cameroon. This morning, una don't see what forces them inside Bamenda. Video they don't come out for Bamenda. We were forces that the battle La Republic du Cameroon again. The Ambazonia Defense Forces. The battle La Republic du Cameroon for inside Bamenda again today. When at the 2nd of September. The video they don't come out more and more and more and more and more and more. Now the consequences then this. Now part of the strategy. With the designer for the way it no go only make La Republic du Cameroon it lost the ability for govern Ambazonia. It no go only increase the cost of occupation. It no go only stop increase economic sabotage. But it means say it go also cause economic collapse for La Republic of Cameroon. Money no go day again for them for pay their civil servant. Money no go day again for them for give water for their people. Money no go day again for them for even give light for their people. Them. It go increase the suffering and the pain for inside La Republic of Cameroon. As a result, it go make their people go rise up. Now a well-designed strategy. With not only an intelligent mind, if it come up with that kind of strategy, the strategy will be now for squeeze Cameroon, pressure Cameroon, force Cameroon for surrender for Ambazonia. Because it go force them. Once their people they start for rise up, then they get for move all those their military them for go try for keep La Republic du Cameroon together. So now a strategy would choke them for two sides. We choke them inside Ambazonia and then we create internal choking. Yes, internal choking. And it don't happen. Why would they score big diplomatic victories? By the way, wait I tell una yesterday, the letter I can show una yesterday, where the United Kingdom and Commonwealth is sent them for the Secretary of State for Governing Council of Ambazonia as their response after 4 meetings. The other big news day, where they come up for the Ogak Patak for the whole world. And that one, they not fit talk and for outside because they signed the non-disclosure agreement. Ambazonia, the matter between Ambazonia and La République don't finish. We all, the UK don't talk, the US don't talk. They don't recognize our right for self-determination. Now, it be up to the Ambazonian people for claim those rights. Make a living for the, I get better other things than what I get for can't talk on now. I just take more time, I bring on this message. For all the people that they ask for the new General Ivory Cap, now in this, now the new General Ivory Cap this one are based on popular demand. So 1st of October they come, would they encourage all our people, they make they start prepare, make all man for Ground Zero start for prepare. We will send plenty flags, plenty team them for Ground Zero for celebrate 1st of October. Make all the communities when I start for mobilize, all the forces when I start for prepare. When I start for prepare how for defend our community, protect our citizens them, and then how we go celebrate October 1 for the biggest style ever. We call on all citizens of Ambazonians for any place where you dey, start for prepare. What are you doing for Toronto? Start for buy your flag. We go t-shirt, new t-shirt that will come when for the Independence Day, and those t-shirts, the t-shirt for this year. Now the t-shirt they will carry, where they will be. Now, I go bring una. They will bring una. They will bring una that T-shirt them within the next few days with the T-shirt them for this year for 2020. The meaning for the T-shirt for this year, because the T-shirt get forget meaning. It get forget meaning. We get for celebrate in style. We get for celebrate in style. So why would it make a lot of wins? Would it make a lot of gains? And La République the collapse and La République the fall, and the people that they rise up for La République of Cameroon. We only get one responsibility for make sure say Ground Zero be armed and we get well-equipped forces so that they fit take over as they implement the takeover strategy, especially for Bamenda. I shall say today again, at some point, I will find some time. I get very important information I get for bring now, but I will see how I fit make it be possible for me for can talk for now again. If you get any comment, you get any message, please message me, send me a comment. I will always be available for respond and for talk on. Will the talk small time? Una stay fine. Make a leave for now. All right. Bye for now.